Hi everyone, it's Wednesday and that can only mean one thing. It is time for another unboxing video, this time from the range, and this is a big shout out to Craft Addict Roxanne, who I know very dearly loves Halloween very much. She's crazy over Halloween. Now, there was only one thing that I found in the range this time, because I do check where I can every week. Sometimes I can't get there because I'm very busy, but most of the back shelf I've near enough got. They've got some really big ones where you get like 3 in a pack, but I would have to order them. And I was a bit disappointed because I couldn't find anything. And then for some apparent reason, this was nowhere on the diamond painting section. It was shoved near where all like the pens, staples, rulers, like the stationery section, but on like a shelf. So yeah, I'm not really too sure why that's been placed there, because you would think it'd be in the Halloween stuff. But as you know, I've been talking about whether we'd get some Halloween ones come in, and we have had this. Now, this is called the Haunted Hallows Bright Halloween Crystal Canvas. $2.99. I'm really hoping they're going to be rhinestones, and apparently there's over 2,292 crystals. Inside here, you can see here we've got a stretch canvas, 20x20 there, one wax square, one diamond, one painting stylus, one gem base, 16 colour gem bags, and wall hanging kit. A lot of these are coming with the brackets now, which is fabulous. I think this is probably a little bit bigger than a 20x20, but let's take a look in here and see if it is actually as glittery as they say. So I can't hold my nails off, so I can't can't get into it. Oh, do you know what? Let's just use a craft knife and get that cat out. Do it quicker, making work for myself. But oh, look at this! Please be crystals, please. And yeah, look, crystals. Okay, so yeah, I think that's a little bit big for 20x20. Do you think so, guys? I don't know. Maybe it's because it's got the border on it. I'm not sure, but wow. But yeah, I saw this, and the minute I saw it on the shelf, it was strange, because I had to go to the stationery section anyway, because I needed some more staples for my stapler, and something caught my eye, and I thought, oh my god, what's that? Looked, and there it was. So, but yeah, very unusual that it's not in the same place as the diamond paintings. But yeah, let's take a look at them in a minute. But let's turn this over. See, again, why do they wrap this round here? That's actually, oh, that's naughty, because what they've done is they've put a staple through that. So I'm going to have to cut that off. I don't know why they flip it round the back, but as you can see, oh, wow. Okay, so this has had a bit of a kerfuffle here. What on earth? Why is this all crinkled? Okay, something's gone wrong in the factory there, because it's all like, it's like they've not got enough cellophane for it. But oh, look at this, guys. We've got that big Skullosaurus. We've got a pink pumpkin and a very sort of angry looking pumpkin there, with what looks to be like a witch's hat here. We've got a bat. I'm a member of the Bat Conservation Trust, so bats very much appeal to me. And we've got an orange there, classic sort of Halloween colours. He's even wearing a little hat there. How cool is this? This is superb. And as you can see, it's it's this bit here that's annoying me. I don't know why they've done that. I'll have to check the stick, but hang on. Yeah, that's perfect. I think what's happened is they've pushed it, yeah, over here. They've wrapped it round the back here and stapled it on, which is a bit stupid, really, because we don't need that on the edge. I mean, all of this will be took apart, but I think what they've done is pushed it over there too much, and that's why this bit's like a bit weird looking. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I think there's so much colour going on here, and the white background just really is beautiful. So this will be really nice one for Halloween. I know I said I didn't want to do pumpkins, but come on, this is a beautiful painting, and one of my second Halloween ones. So let's put that one over to one side. We'll take a look at our drawers here. And oh my days, look at them beautiful blue and pink. That's gorgeous. Oh wow, that is fabulous. Oh, I love this. This is fantastic. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I can't get into it again. Where's the edge of it gone? Oh, it's there. It's actually like, looks like it's wrapped here. So, oh, this is going to be pretty, guys. This is going to be beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is, oh, wow, look at that vibrant pink. That is beautiful. The vibrant purple, probably a 550, I'm not sure. Okay, for a mad minute, I thought I had an empty package. I was like, no, that can't happen. But we got a beautiful red here, a beautiful baby pink, a very gorgeous, vibrant pink. If anyone knows that colour, do let us know. Because they don't DMC code it on here. So as you can see, there's no DMC code. You've got a lovely sort of next down pink, a couple of purples there. Sort of reddy colour, a purple, a light blue, darker blue, a brown, a very good. I'll tell you what, these colours are eye-popping. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got a green, a very beautiful lime green. Whoa, is that hurting my eye right now? It actually is. Like, it's that vibrant. By God, I think that's the brightest green I've ever come across. And then we've got a gold and a silver, so we'll put that to one side. And then we get our return of the massive batch of bags. Yes, most of the diamond paintings I get from Temu now, they are phasing the bags out, because there's this big thing in the UK about cutting down on plastic, and companies are sort of thinking about how they can give products without using plastic and stuff. And yeah, we got a big batch full of bags here. Classic white tray, your classic pen. Sometimes it will say Crystal Creations, although this, I'm not sure what company this is from, but it's probably likely to be Art Studio, because Art Studio tends to be the company that include the brackets. And you've got a lovely fresh clean wax there. So I'll tell you what, this is making me so want to start it right now. This is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? As I said, this is currently in the range. I've been away in Bognor Regis, which was a last minute decision, and on my journey home, I stopped off at Chelmsford because I was passing through, and my ticket allows me to break off at any station along that route. And I thought I'll just go there because, you know, if I go home now, I probably won't be back until the week after. And I'm glad I did, because if I didn't find this, and literally they had about 4 on the shelves, so it must be very popular. But I was looking up here to see if it said Art Studio. It doesn't say that on here, but I'm going to assume it is. But even down to the packaging, it's just like, it just gives you, right, I want that, you know. But yeah, absolutely fabulous. I love it. And yeah, a massive thank you to Craft Addict Roxanne, because if it weren't for her doing all her Halloween videos, I think it's really her that has made me want to do more Halloween. I'm being serious. Like, the amount of Halloween stuff she does just is phenomenal. It's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, as soon as I saw some of her Halloween projects, I was like, that's it. I'm hunting around for Halloween now. And yeah, absolutely love it. As I said, it retails at £2.99, or if you're abroad, it's €3.90. But how can you not say no to that? That is absolutely gorgeous. Bright Halloween crystal canvas. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll try and get the link. I don't know if it's online. Some shops do different stock online than what's in the shop, you know, but I'll try and get the link for that. But Roxanne, please let me know what you think of this painting, because I tell you what, with these crystals on, I really cannot wait to see what the look. I think that blue is really going to work well. Yeah, I love skulls, as you know, so with that candy skull one I did, and yeah, I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is a 20x20, so you can actually see it's a little bit bigger than last one, but yeah, I can't wait. I'm itching to get into this. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and always tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell so that you can be notified as and when a video pops up onto the channel. And until next time, we'll see you next Wednesday for another unboxing of diamond painting. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.